Silver prices scaled to a decade high, more than a decade high levels here. Last week, we have seen it moving all the way towards 38.50 and closing the week at 38.40. Are we looking forward to a breakout move here towards $40 levels? Is silver heading to $40 levels? Or the highs are done and we should wait for a reversal here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for silver. First with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, such that you can profit across sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into the charts and indicators, and towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels of watch till the end. Now, on the weekly charts, what's happening with silver here? See, if you look at the move here, see first this rise, then the retracement, then the rise, then the retracement, third rise, then the retracement, and now it is on a breakout journey. After forming this nice flag here for the near term, now this is given a breakout here. Now, since the breakout, if you look at the move here, the rise, the consolidation, and then this again a breakout here. And if you look at the move, we talked about 38, it has in fact breached and moved towards 38.50. Now notice the bands have expanded. The moving averages are trading with divergence. It is possible that silver can in fact scale towards 39 or $40 levels very soon before showing a pullback. You can also notice after this big bullish candle, consolidation has happened. Now this is increasing body size. So the third candle could be also with a further increasing body size here, which can in fact take it towards $40 levels. Right now, it is showing extreme bullish momentum here and it might continue. Now, connect the highs here. If you connect the highs, you can see this is almost close to 40. You can see this is the channel in which it is trading. Always it hits that highs, it tries to retrace. So hitting this zone is where possibly a little retracement can be expected. But right now, looking at the move, what we had seen towards the last trading session, it is continuing on the upside here. The moving averages are now trading with divergence and are staying bullish. Stock IST at the top, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, and it appears to be scaling towards the new highs here. Coming week is going to be pretty important. A move beyond 38.68, 38.75 zone, you should stay bullish. You should expect 39.50 and $40 levels, the critical numbers here in silver very soon. RSI rising, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the daily charts. Now see on the daily chart, see what has happened here. The rise, the retracement, and then the rise, it is retraced or consolidated. Now seen taking support from the 20 period, it is bouncing back here. It has given a good breakout. It has created a neck here and now it is expanding, which suggests that it might continue on this path for a while. But when you look at the candle sizes, see these are getting bigger. Now this means it can deliver a consolidation or sideways candle before pulling back, before continuing on the journey. Hence the first candle might be of little swings and then it can resume the upward journey here. See what has happened here. After a good rise, it consolidates, then again a rise, then consolidation, then again a rise. So this is how it might continue. Also notice rise retracement, bigger rise, so it could retrace here, but right now it is not showing any such sign, because see after the rise retracement and now giving a breakout, so this might continue here for a while. This might take it towards the highs here. This might in fact take it beyond 40. Be mindful of this. The stochastic rising, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. Look at the MACD after retracing, just crossing over here, and see the divergence after the crossover. It's a good indication for the bulls here. It is a good indication that silver might try to create a double top before reversing. Now creating a double top means it might take a couple of more weeks, or in fact you can say it may take 2 to 4 weeks for it to scale towards the highs, where prices might in fact move towards 42 and then reverse. So this is something which is a worrisome point for the sellers here, and this crossover is indicating of further rise. However, I'll say the higher it goes, the higher the highly fragile the prices will be. The RSI entering into overbought territory here, and it has still got room for further rise. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, it is consolidated here, and now after the breakout we have seen a massive move. Now if you connect the highs, see the highs here, then the retracement, consolidation, then the highs. So it could retrace towards the bottom. The bottom here right now for this channel is now limited towards 3650 levels here. So now only bearishness in silver is if you see it staying below 3760 levels here, below which we can expect it to move towards $37 zone, then 3685, 3665 zone. And if that is taken, we are looking forward to a good drop. Any move below 36, any move below 36 is a clear sign of a greater correction in silver prices, which appears to be a distant dream as of now. As of now, it is not showing any signs of a reversal or a drop below $36 levels very soon. And hence, at this point, we have to exercise caution. Now, see what has happened towards the last end here on the daily chart. See, it has shown a pullback. It is closed at the flat end, and now possibly we can see a little retracement. Now 38, 3780 is the zone it needs to breach on the downside in order to confirm a further retracement. Remember, if this is the case on the 4-hour charts, on the hourly charts, this is extremely overbought. See, diminishing bearishness first candle. So it might show a quick pullback here all the way towards 38 or in fact 3750 levels. But as I said, till 3650, till 36, you should not be treating silver as bearish. It can bounce back sharp. Now let's also have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, the candle is taking a shape, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. Look at the support it has created at 28. Now since the support from 28, we have seen a massive move here. It has come down all the way towards 38.5. Now when you look at the long term picture here, on the long term, see the move here, the rise, then the retracement, then the rise, then the consolidation, then the rise. Now see, it is trading in this bullish channel here. When you connect the highs, you can find out the highs are now aiming at $40 zone and the lows are far lower here. So this is a broader channel in which silver is trading. The lows are towards 30, the highs are towards 40. A breakout beyond 40 is a clear sign that it is going to just stay bullish, and possibly we will see 42.4 levels very soon. Now see this, after consolidating, it has given one bullish candle, and see the move here in dollar terms. If you see from 33, we have seen it moving towards 37.2 levels here. Now from 35.8, if you include the same size of candle, that is $4.2, the highs are at 40. So it has got now a stronger possibility to hit the critical number, the critical milestone at $40 levels very soon in this month of July itself. Moving averages are now diverging. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. The MACD is trading with divergence, and this is at the extremes. After staying bullish for months and years, it is now at the peak. The RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels here. And before I offer you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 21st of July. Invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy here. Very simple, buy at 3860 levels here. Expect it to move towards 38.92, and once that is taken, then 39.21. If this is also taken, stay bullish in silver. It is heading towards 40. It may take a zigzag shape, but 40 is a must here. Yes, 40 plus minus 10-20 cents, but yes, 40 is a must here. Be mindful of this. Looking at the move, look at the targets. These are priced far now, because the move what we had seen on the last trading session is now making me a bit cautious. And ideally beyond 38.6, the bullishness should continue here for a while. In fact, 40 should be there very soon. Now beyond 40, sky is the limit on the upside. I I will see that beyond 40 the resistances will get stronger here. 40.4, 40.75, and then 41.1. After that 41.6, then 42, and then 42.4 has to be there. Chances for this move appears less, but yes, this move appears pretty strong. Now remember, from the current levels, the $40 zone is just 4%. If you count the move on Friday, it will take just one session for silver to hit 40, which should offer a maximum resistance, and from there it might try to trade sideways or with modest bearishness. Hence, you have to watch out. On the downside, I'll say you can just stay short for the first trading session if you see it is staying now below 38.30 itself. Expect 38.10, 37.95, 37.60. 37.80 is also one of the supports, but then I will look forward to 37.60. Now this is the next critical support it needs to breach. Till here you can see it might retrace, but it's not a reversal, and this is on the smaller time frames. Till 37.60 it's fine. Below 37.60 you can expect a good move towards 37.20, then 36.85, 36.65 levels should appear. This is the most important zone because below this 36 has to be there, chances for which appears very less. Below 36 it should move towards 35. It requires a lot much of courage and strength in silver to move below 36. I do not see that happening now in this month of July. Even if it tries to even if it tries to drop, I think 37.2 at best should be a very good support, and then 36.65.85, the extremely strongest one. Till 36.65, do not treat this as bearish. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signal channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again on Monday with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, trading week ahead, and a happy weekend. Thank you.